Hello guys, a quick but I think important video to make. We were chatting in our Discord channel, which we do pretty much every day. You feel free to join us. You can find links in the description box below the video. But we were talking about a lot of different things, and one of our members actually mentioned that Michael Burry sold all of his stocks but one, and he's warning an epic market crash is coming. So this is very interesting because he actually sold basically everything that he had, and I will tell you all the details here and what happened. And he only holds right now a 3.3 million stake in GEO Group, is what his new filing shows here. Now Scion owned 165 million of stocks at the end of March, excluding the Apple put options, because remember Michael Burry also had some put options ready to go in the case of Apple going sideways. So, what happened here? The inventor, of course, of the investor of the Big Short fame, I mean, everybody knows him, he slashed his US stock portfolio to a single holding. And this is, we know about this because he had to file. All these like large investors making tons of trades, or I should say large trades, they need to be filing with SEC pretty much, so that we know what they're doing. And so he's Burry's Scion, pretty much asset management is what it's called, Scion, disclosed just over 500,000 shares of GEO Group. So this is the only one that he is holding right now. And they invest in private prisons and mental health facilities. And that is very interesting to see. Unexpected, frankly, but very interesting. Close followers of Burry are likely to interpret his decision to effectively liquidate his portfolio as a bad omen. And because of the fact that he has been right very often in the past, this does spike some potential worries about what is going to be happening with the stock market. Now, he said here that we are looking at the greatest, the most speculative bubble of all time, and said owners of meme stocks and cryptocurrencies were careening towards the mother of all crashes. Now, I do agree that speculative stocks like meme stocks and things of that sort are always bad to hold, and you can only make some money with those when the times are good, are really good, and everybody's buying everything really. But what about the other companies, the ones that are doing well? Are we actually going to be looking at a really big crash incoming? So this is what Michael Burry's latest moves seem to be indicating here. Now, he recently told investors not to get too excited about the recent rally, and he thinks that this is going to be a temporary rebound before actually finding a bottom. This could be true. I mean, a lot of people are talking about this, and it has happened in the past. It could be that we have a relief rally right now, and then we're going to be seeing an even steeper decline. Frankly speaking, I mean, economic data is not the greatest it has been, of course, in the last few years. And there definitely are some concerns. There is also geopolitical concerns, a lot of things going on with Taiwan, Russia, a lot of different potential dangers in the economy. I mean, issues with energy and viruses and whatever other things come up. And so all these potential situations could maybe indicate that we are looking at a steeper decline, maybe even soon. He also said the silliness in markets during the height of the pandemic had returned, and tweeted over the weekend that he can't shake the silly pre-Enron pretty much feeling. So he's potentially thinking that we're going to be having a very deep crash, maybe capitalization pretty much effect at some point. Maybe something really bad is going to happen, and we're going to have a very big crash potentially. This is what it looks like he's pointing at over here, maybe. And he's referring to the euphoria that preceded the dot-com crash. Now, I'm not really sure there's euphoria right now. It's more like a relief, really. But I wouldn't really say there's euphoria after the market has been down like 30%. I would still think that people are kind of scared. I myself really don't think that we are entering a bullish phase right now in the market. It's more like a relief, pretty much. Maybe even a dead cat bounce. We'll see. Now, his portfolio comprised of 11 stocks worth 165 million at the end of March, excluding some of the bearish options that we talked about that he actually sold as well against the Apple shares. He has taken a knife to the portfolio in the past, and he pared it from 20 holdings to 6 in the third quarter of last year. But right now, selling everything, that is a very big one. and it was definitely worth making a video about. Now, Burry rose to fame after his $1 billion wager against the mid-2000s housing bubble. Remember, he was in the movie The Big Short, and he did really well about this situation. Really, he was really on spot. And he's also known for betting against Tesla and Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation Fund. I mean, everybody would do that, frankly speaking. And I would actually definitely do that myself, like bet against these, because they are super overvalued, frankly. And we have talked about them in the previous videos that I have made. But I really wanted to make a quick video here, showcase that, because I thought that this is very interesting news and could potentially spike some real interest in what is going on right now with the markets, and maybe actually even lead to some investors liquidating. I don't know. But definitely something to talk about, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did, that helps a ton, guys, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay well, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.